It's a fantastic afternoon and a great day to get started back on the 1960 Chevy Impala. The biggest problem we got today is getting it out of the barn. It's been stored away there for the winter, and I've actually ordered trunk floor for the car, and it's time to get the car out of the garage and start prepping it for a new trunk floor. So it's a fairly involved job, but nothing we haven't done lots of times before. Had a nice drive in the T today, and now it's time to do a little bit of work, I guess. Ready? Let's go. So somebody can watch that we don't hit the back wall there, and somebody can watch that we don't hit that car. And Fergus and I are going to pull on this and try and swing the back out. As soon as the back is touching something, we'll put it down and we'll lift the front out.
Okay.
And we just hopefully 2 or 3 tries and we're done. So,
It's okay here. Is there room there, Hannah?
Anything, Hannah?
No, it's a little close. But you're getting pretty close now.
how close?
Like soft?
Like an inch away.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's good. This way. Okay, 1, 2, 3. How are we doing?
Fine?
Okay. More?
Yeah. Okay, stop.
Okay. Let it down. Good. Okay, let's grab the handle. Can't really pull on the car because it'll pull it off the jack. Hi, Frankie. Thanks for helping. More?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Yep.
Okay, good. Oh, shit.
Yeah, that looks good.
Yeah, straighten the wheels. Okay, it's gonna go now. How's that side? You guys got, how much room we got on that side?
Yeah, like a foot.
Okay, that's good. I'm gonna very gently. Okay, let's hit it then, because I gotta walk away from it. Oh, please, please. Yes, we're good. Good, good. And there she is.
All the fluff coming off now.
Okay, tractor time. Chris and I are going to pull the deck lid off and we'll have a look at why. Oh, this thing's heavy. Yeah. Okay, let's lean it up against the motorcycle barrier here. Go that way.
Yeah.
Let's put it this way. Okay, perfect. Oh dear, look at all the pieces in here. So yeah, here's part of the problem. This whole trunk floor is pretty rough. Well, I guess I didn't really see how much crap was still in here. Let's here, get a few items. Oh Jesus, this is. I didn't even know I saved this. Okay, that guy. Let's sit there. There we go. Now we can at least sort of see what we're up against. There's your basic malfunction. So I looked around, and the best solution with the best shipping was a 3-piece trunk floor kit reproduction that'll be coming in the mail. I could have made it, but I got a lot of stuff going, and I want to get this car done as quickly as possible, and that means if I can use a little bit of money to save a lot of time, that's what we have to do, because I got 20 more cars waiting after this. So trunk floor I'm going to buy. Then once the trunk floor arrives and I'm happy with the shipping and everything, we're going to buy partial quarters that go from there to the back. I've seen pictures, they look pretty good. Then we're still going to have to fab this, and we'll still have to do, there's not any shortage of repairs to do, you know. The bottoms of the doors are rusted out. There's still hundreds of hours of welding, even if I buy the parts. So that's kind of the plan. Anyway, for everybody who's wondering if we're ever going to get back on this car, we are. And we'll probably be, there'll be updates on this as soon as the parts arrive. I'm probably going to have the trunk floor cut out before they even get here. Installing it shouldn't take very long. I'm not getting too fancy. This is more about salvaging a car and making a fun lowrider out of it. I've kind of decided that we're going to go with the fancy metal flake paint job because Ashley's having too much fun. And then we'll see. I haven't decided on the interior. Lots of things to do. 283, 3-speed column shift. Yeah, that's the plan. So, see everybody in a couple days. Cheers. This is a regular contributor.
Same old shit.